failure of decking were not nailed properly. It's buckling, and previous signs of the repairs of the leak are highly visible. Usually we pre-order the materials, get them on the roof early, so we have everything on the job site prior to starting the project. Here we have a crew working on removing all of the existing roof system. After removing all the debris, they go into checking the wood substrate, making sure the decking, rafters, trusses are okay, and will support a new roof. Same application, different view. First the shingles being stripped, remove the nails, and then we get to removal of the underlayment, see the decking. Here we're working on preparation of the flashing, which is located against the wall. Every penetration, every wall transition is the most critical areas in the roof, and that's where the most attention needs to be focused on. After removing all the felts, underlayment, all the nails are being pulled from the decking. The flashings from the latch stacks pipes is being removed, and we replace it with new. Basically every item on the roof is replaced with new flashing, counter flashing, penetrations, flashings. Now all the flashing is removed. Here we have removal of existing flashings located on the perimeter of the roof. Observing removal of the flat roof. Here we're working at the base of the chimney, cleaning and removing of the existing L flashing, looking for any potential damages, the stucco, decking, metal, removing all of the debris from underneath and the top of it. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Very important item. We avoid any debris falling to the ground to prevent any damages to the surroundings, AC units, pool pump, keep running around in the grass. Once again, we'll focus a lot on protection of the surrounding of the area, trying to catch every possible debris we can to avoid any potential problems. Here we have AC unit covered with a piece of plywood to avoid any damages to the outside of the unit, any nails or debris falling inside the unit, which might cause problems down the road. After removing all the papers, we are able to inspect the nailing pattern on existing plywood. As we can see in this case, it's perfectly fine, every 3 to 4 inches, as per newest edition of the code. What it means, somebody did a very good job when they built the house. We have areas of the plywood, which is delaminating and separating. Decision is made to be replaced with the new 5/8 CDX plywood. At this point, we're removing the boards and the nails. Here we are in process of installation of the new 5/8 CDX plywood on the top of the existing. Owner requested specifically this condition to be done. They wanted to reinforce this roof, and 2 layers of decking applied on the top of each other and nailed properly to the rafters definitely will strengthen this roof area tremendously. All the nails used for deck renailing have a pattern like a screw to be more durable to the pulling forces from the wind. Each nail is about 2¼ inch long with at least 16 to 20 rings which work like a screw pattern to hold the nail better. Here we're dismounting the existing gutter. We'll probably preserve the gutter. We're taking extra steps to remove it in one piece. We have a rotted fascia on that corner and the replacement of the wood is necessary. And in order to replace the wood, the gutter has to come off to provide us with adequate space to insert the saw and remove rotted wood with at least 2 to 3 feet from the corner for a good support and reinforcement. Right now we're starting application of the secondary water resistance sheet as recommended per insurance industry standards to obtain additional discount from the premium, which depends on each insurance a little bit differently. Application of the secondary water resistance around the roof penetrations to lower potential risk of any problems in case of the tragic event of destroy the roof system. Every penetration gets additional seal with a self-adhered tape around the base. Once heat's activated and the second layer of base sheet covers the strips, they start fusing during the temperatures, summer temperatures, with the wood and become part of the wood. After this operation is completed, the first layer of underlayment will get applied and fastened with the 1¼ inch ring shank nails. Once again, those special nails, which is constructed like a screw type with the rings to prevent any pulling out forces. We're in process of installation of the first layer of the fence, actually second in this case, because the self-adhered tapes were the first. Then the black felt secured with the nails and pin caps is the secondary water resistance also, and then another application in case of the tile installation will get installed directly on the top with a hot asphalt. All the felts are overlapped 4 inches.